Hey everyone, I'm Jane from PharmMedi-Lab. Dreaming of a US medical, dental, pharmacy, or vet school? Awesome goal, but it's a tough journey. Expect ultra-low acceptance, fierce competition, and a complex process, even with a green card. A smart, early strategy is a game changer. You get info everywhere. What you need is a strategy, a real roadmap. PharmMedi-Lab guides students from high school using proven approaches for real results. This video breaks down choosing the right pre-health. College, not by rankings, but by what truly positions you for your dream professional school. Smart moves now redefine your future. Ready? Let's dive in. Serious about US health professional school? Know these 3 game-changing college list strategies from PharmMedi-Lab, proven to boost your odds. 1. Beyond rankings. For professional school, prioritize a college's pre-health track record, quality advising, and a curriculum structured for your success, not just big names. 2. Active pre-health programs. Choose schools with strong pre-health advising and ample opportunities for shadowing, research, and internships. Our data shows this approach can significantly boost acceptance rates. 3. In-state internal preference power, many US. Health professional schools give a notable edge to in-state students or their own undergrads. This can mean perks like early interviews, linkage programs, or stronger letters of support. Bottom line, don't just chase fancy names. Your mission is to pick an undergraduate school genuinely structured to help you get into professional school. That's the smart play. Aiming for pharmacy school? Smart! Choosing your pre-pharmacy college is key to your career foundation. Here are 4 must-haves for your list. 1. Career outcomes. First, prioritize pre-pharm programs that feed into pharmacy schools known for high graduation and NAPLEX pass rates, plus strong job placement go beyond just rankings. 2. Big city edge. Urban colleges generally offer more pharmacy internships, diverse volunteer opportunities, and valuable experiences to build a competitive resume for top pharmacy schools. 3. Dual program strength. Ensure both your undergraduate pre-pharm program and any linked pharmacy school are strong. Look for robust research options, portfolio support, and proactive advising from day 1. 4. Structure over status. A famous university name isn't a guarantee. Choose pre-pharm programs with clear pathways and comprehensive support systems truly designed for your success in becoming a pharmacist. Focusing on these criteria means making smarter college choices, potentially saving you time and money, and significantly boosting your odds for pharmacy school acceptance and a thriving career. Key takeaway: target schools with built-in success structures to strategically launch your pharmacy career. You have the 4 pre-pharm criteria. Applying them strategically engineers your pharmacist path. Here are top university examples for each. 1. Strong career outcomes, high grad, NAPLEX rates, job placement. Consider University of Florida, Ohio State, Purdue, known for robust PharmD programs and excellent undergrad pipelines. 2. Big city experience, internships, volunteering. For fast-track resume building, check out USC, Los Angeles, University of Minnesota, Twin Cities, Temple University, Philadelphia. 3. Seamless undergrad to PharmD support, advising, LORs. University of Michigan, University of Wisconsin-Madison, University of Georgia offers supportive integrated transitions. 4. Outcome-driven systems, high employment, good integration. PharmMedi-Lab champions MCPHS University, Rutgers, University of Iowa. MCPHS, notably, offers a 6 PharmD program and strong international student support. Takeaway: target schools with built-in success structures. Choose strategically to launch your pharmacy career, not just get an acceptance letter. Dreaming of US medical school? It's a different league, ferocious competition, complex requirements. Your undergrad choice is critical for acceptance. Let's look at recent AAMC MD program data. Around 52,000 applicants fought for approximately 23,000 spots. While that suggests a 44 to 45% overall matriculation rate, most students apply to 15-20+ schools. This means individual school acceptance rates are often brutally low, frequently under 5%. For students with ties to Korea, US citizens, green card holders, face about a 50.6% acceptance rate into US med schools, competitive, but in line with the domestic pool. F1. international students. It's exceptionally tough, with around a 16% acceptance rate, and these students comprise only about 1.4% of all matriculants. The reality is challenging, but success is not impossible. It hinges on strategic pre-med college selection, not just chasing big names. You need an undergrad institution providing a GPA-friendly environment, robust research opportunities, diverse pre-med activities, clinical volunteering leadership, strong letters of recommendation, proven med school admission advising. Choosing this college wisely is your first major strategic win. Serious about med school? Your pre-med college choice needs a new playbook. PharmMedi-Lab offers 4 battle-tested strategies. 1. Direct pipelines EAPs. Many U.S. med schools favor their own undergrads. Early assurance programs, EAPs, offer early acceptance spots, a huge odds booster. 2. Accessible clinical experience, shadowing, volunteering, and internships are essential. Choose undergrads that provide easy, structured access from year 1. 3. Integrated med school ecosystem. Attending an undergrad with its own med school means direct access to faculty, research, rotations, and stronger LORs, a major advantage over disconnected programs. 4. Rich medical infrastructure. Locations near teaching hospitals, clinics, and research hubs offer more varied opportunities for crucial real-world experience and networking. Bottom line, don't just chase famous names. Pick a college strategically built to get its students into medical school. That's the winning move. PharmMedi-Lab's playbook is different. Big-name elite schools aren't always your best pre-med bet. They can lack the structured support crucial for success. We focus on 4 key criteria for med school acceptance. Here are some examples. 1. Direct med school feeder programs, EAPs, BSMD tracks. Boston University, University of Maryland, University of Illinois, Chicago. 2. Hubs for early and abundant clinical research experience. University of Pittsburgh, University of Minnesota, UNC Chapel Hill. 3. Integrated medical school and teaching hospital for unparalleled access. University of Washington, UC Davis, University of Minnesota. 4. Strong medical ecosystems and achievable admissions. Rutgers University, Temple University, University of Florida. PharmMedi-Lab's focus? Real, actionable strategy, not just brand names. We guide you to colleges fundamentally structured to get you into medical school and launch your career as a doctor. That's the PharmMedi-Lab difference. Future dentists. U.S. dental school is competitive. A smart undergrad plan is crucial. Fall 2024 dental school data snapshot. 12,491 applicants led to 6,719 enrolled, a 53 to 54% matriculation rate. Key demographics: Asian students, 23 to 24% of enrolled, 1,600. Korean American, citizens permanent residents, 240 admits, 3.5% total. F1 international students, a very challenging 4.8% acceptance rate. The bar is high, especially for international and specific demographic groups. However, success is achievable with a strategic undergrad choice. It's not just about a biology major or high rankings. Your pre-dental undergrad needs to offer ample shadowing opportunities, dexterity-focused activities, access to dental research, tailored AADSAS, application guidance. Choose an undergrad that truly prepares you for dental school's rigors to build a winning application. Future dentists, smart undergrad choice is vital. With over 70 accredited U.S. dental schools, some offer an inside track, but not all pre-dental prep is equal. PharmMedi-Lab has 4 key criteria for your college selection. 1. Built-in clinical experience. Shadowing, volunteering, and internships are musts. Pick colleges that actively help you access these critical opportunities early. 2. Formal dental pathways, EAPs. Some undergrads have established pipelines to dental schools, offering early interviews or conditional acceptance, a game changer. 3. On-campus dental med school, POWER. An on-site dental or even a strong medical school means direct access to faculty, labs, clinics, research, and deeper professional insight. 4. Location with diverse healthcare. OPS, areas rich in hospitals and varied dental clinics, offer more chances to gain diverse shadowing and volunteer hours efficiently. Bottom line, choose a pre-dental college strategically engineered for your dental school journey. Think support, structure, success. With the 4 pre-dental strategies in mind, here are colleges offering real, structured support. 1. Hands-on clinical and internship experience, early exposure. University of Pennsylvania, preclinical/professional clinic observation. Rutgers University, explore various dental specialties. University at Buffalo, simulates dental school, research, application prep. 2. Direct dental school, pathways EAPs, fast-track acceptance. Boston University, APEX program for early clinical internships. Tufts University, 8-year EAP offers conditional sophomore year admission. University of Maryland, world's first dental school, strong shadowing research support. 3. Integrated dental medical school ecosystem, internal connections and resources. University of Michigan, own renowned dental school and teaching hospital. UNC Chapel Hill, undergrad and dental school share a campus, facilitating collaboration. UCLA, access to specialized dental clinics and major research. 4. Rich healthcare infrastructure and opportunity, access for varied experience. Rutgers University, New Jersey location with New York City proximity. Direct dental program links. Temple University, Philadelphia hub, strong community health programs. University of Illinois Chicago, heart of Chicago Medical District, strong pre-health advising. Bottom line, pre-dental success isn't about chasing big names. Choose a college, providing real resources, proven structure, and direct access to the dental field from day one. That builds a winning application. Pre-vet, a highly competitive U.S. track. Success demands more than a love for animals and a science major. It requires strategic planning. Vet school essentials, non-negotiable, extensive, diverse, hands-on animal veterinary experience. Meaningful research involvement. Significant time in clinical, farm, or shelter settings. Strong letters of recommendation, especially from veterinarians. Your pre-vet college? Choice is key to building this strong foundation. U.S. Vet School Admission Snapshot, 2023 to 2024 AAVMC data. Just 33 accredited U.S. colleges. Over 10,000 applicants for very limited seats. Highly competitive, individual school acceptance rates, often 10 to 15% or less. International students comprise about 2.4% of enrolled students, a very tough path. Note, low international enrollment often reflects underpreparation in meeting U.S. vet schools' specific experience and documentation standards, not necessarily direct. Disadvantage, winning strategy, choose a U.S. undergrad strategically linked to a vet school or located in your target state. Vet schools heavily prioritize in-state residents and graduates from their own or partner pre-vet programs. This can dramatically boost your admission odds. Bottom line, vet school isn't about luck, it's meticulous strategic planning from day one, starting with the right pre-vet college. Serious about U.S. vet school? Your pre-vet college is a critical launchpad. With only 33 vet schools, competition is fierce, but the right undergrad boosts your odds. PharmMedi-Lab's 4 make-or-break strategies. 1. Direct vet school, links, EAPs. Affiliated undergrads often get key advantages like priority admission consideration, early assurance program conditional acceptance, or other distinct preferences. 2. Diverse animal experience. Vet applications demand extensive, varied hands-on experience, shadowing, multi-species volunteering, research. Pick colleges with strong connections to animal hospitals, farms, shelters, and labs for early portfolio building. 3. On-campus, vet school, hospital power. An undergrad with its own vet school offers invaluable immersion, direct faculty mentorship, stronger LORs, research labs, and real clinical exposure, far beyond just lectures. 4. Access to diverse animal care infrastructure. Choose locations, urban, suburban, or well-connected rural, offering ready access to varied facilities, shelters, diverse vet clinics, small, large animal exotics, farms, and research centers for consistent, quality experience. Final word, don't just pick an animal science program. Choose a college genuinely architected to propel you into veterinary school and ensure your future success as a veterinarian. With the 4 pre-vet strategies, here are exceptional college examples supporting your vet school journey. 1. Direct vet school, pipelines, EAP potential, admission advantage. UC Davis, top-ranked globally, seamless undergrad to vet school pipeline. Purdue University, high percentage of own undergrads admitted to its vet school. Cornell University, Ivy League with a vet college, top-tier research faculty links. 2. Diverse animal clinical experience, strong experiential foundation. Texas A&M University. Curriculum emphasizes shadowing, farm work, and research. University of Florida, strong connections to local shelters, farms, and aquatic animal health. University of Georgia, vibrant pre-vet community, plentiful practical learning opportunities. 3. Integrated vet school, teaching hospital, real medical environments. Michigan State University, owned comprehensive veterinary medical center. North Carolina State University, top-tier vet school and state-of-the-art teaching hospital. University of Wisconsin-Madison combines animal hospital, research centers, and farm-based labs. 4. Access to diverse animal care infrastructure, consistent, varied experience. University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign, extensive on-campus resources like a teaching hospital and AG programs. Ohio State University, Columbus location with strong clinical research partnerships. University of Pennsylvania, Philadelphia base with renowned Penn Vet and large animal facility, New Bolton Center. Takeaway? Don't just aim for famous names. For vet school success, choose a pre-vet college offering extensive, varied hands-on animal experience, genuine mentorship, and faculty access, clear structural links to a vet school, a realistic, supportive path to a competitive application. This strategic choice is foundational for your veterinary career. You've learned game-changing pre-health strategies, but how do you apply them effectively? PharmMedi-Lab isn't a generic agency. We're your strategic partners, laser-focused on one goal, getting you into your dream U.S. medical, dental, pharmacy, or veterinary school. We're with you, start to finish. Our support, your success. Before college, custom pre-health prep program for a rock-solid foundation. During undergrad, expert guidance on GPA, portfolio building, and key exams, MCAT, D8. Pro-school applications, comprehensive strategy, application perfection, AMCAS, AADSAS, and interview mastery. What sets PharmMedi-Lab apart? Continuous step-by-step guidance, monthly roadmap management ensures you stay on track. Personalized one-on-one strategy, regular expert meetings to refine goals and elevate your profile. Custom-crafted master plan, unique to you, identifying gaps and building a competitive portfolio. Insider mentorship, guidance from former U.S. Health Pro students on academics, experiences, and essays, polishing every detail. Our core mission, we're committed to far more than just college admission. Our passion is helping you achieve acceptance into your top choice professional school. We are your unwavering partners every step of the way. This journey is a marathon. We strategically position you to succeed. We've covered key pre-health strategies, smart college selection, and PharmMedi-Lab's dedicated support. This path is demanding, but your dream of becoming a doctor, dentist, pharmacist, or veterinarian is within reach with the right strategy and expert guidance. PharmMedi-Lab partners with you step by step using proven strategies for real results. We don't just give you information. Curious about our comprehensive program or want a personalized one-on-one consultation? Use the contact information right below this video to get in touch. We'd love to connect and answer your questions. Let's build your pre-health future with purpose, structure, and real momentum. Thanks for watching. We're excited to help you thrive on your path to health professional school.